let's talk about receipts. In the event of an audit, you're going to need and want your receipts. Within QuickBooks, you can add your receipts to QuickBooks, or you can use external software to save your receipts. If you are adding your receipts to QuickBooks, one quick way to see that they're here is to go to Expenses, to go to the gear on the right-hand side of your screen, and then to click or check the box that says Attachments. When you do that, you'll have this paper clip, and it'll let you know whether or not there's an attachment for each of these expenses. If you wanted to generate or export all of the receipts you've saved into your QuickBooks, one fast way to do it is to go to the gear in the upper right-hand corner. Under the column for List, you can go to Attachments, and any attachments you have would be here, and you would be able to export them. If you didn't want to use QuickBooks for your receipts, that's totally fine. There are third-party apps that will let you organize and save your receipts. The app that I use for my own receipts is Hubdoc. You're welcome to take a look at it, see if it's a good fit for you. I definitely have videos for Hubdoc and how Hubdoc works on my YouTube channel. If you look at this and this is not the right fit for you, this does connect to QuickBooks Online, but let me show you a couple more options that'll connect to QuickBooks Online. If you go to the website apps.com, it'll take you to this, the QuickBooks app directory, and then you can just search the keyword receipts. Not all of these receipts will apply to your situation. Donor receipts, for example, doesn't apply, but AutoEntry would, ReceiptBot would, Dext, Expensify. There are 75 solutions, many of which will work for you. I don't have a strong preference on what you use. I encourage you to save your receipts. I encourage you to save them electronically. Electronic receipts don't fade, and they don't get lost in your filing cabinet, your backpack, or your purse. Whatever works good for you works good for me. This is just in case of an audit, or in the case of Canadian clients, this is 100% necessary for us to do your bookkeeping.